All right, ladies and gentlemen. We are stepping onto the market for the day now. Um, I'm on a new fucking funded account. As you can see, I passed my one yesterday, so now we are trading for the real skis. Starts at zero. If we go negative, I'll start crying. Maybe not. Joking. Let's not be emotional. But all right. Let's go over our analysis. So on the daily. Actually, first things first. If we want to check news, we're gonna hop onto my Discord. Go to market news. It's Thursday today. All right. So got some PMI early morning. We've got unemployment claims at 8:30. PMI at 9:45. So it might be a wait until 9:45 day unless I can find something really nice in the pre-market. That's doubtful though. But we'll see. Okay. So on to my analysis. Let's go to the daily chart first. We've got this daily fair value gap that we've re-entered that I was talking about yesterday. We closed inside of it this time. So that gives decent confidence to the upside, but I don't know. I'm not going to call anything yet. Down to 4 hour. We've closed yet again inside on the... I think this is the PM session from yesterday. Yeah, it's the PM session from yesterday. We've closed inside the 4 hour again. Down to the 1 hour, you can see that we have closed inside this fair value gap. It's all given bullish structure so far. I mean, let me look for anything bearish. Has it created anything bearish? No bearish fair value gaps at least. Alright, down to 30 minutes. If we inverse that, that could be good. If we can inverse that and then create a fair value gap to jump out of, that would be nice. 15 minutes. So we're in a 15 minute bearish right now. If we could maybe inverse that, then come down, sweep this, I think I'd be looking for buys. That's a pretty good confluence to me. Yeah, because clearly we swept the lows. As long as we don't sweep the highs yet, if we can inverse this, come down, I think we can maybe take longs up to the London or Asia highs. Definitely partials or something. But I think that would be a decent move. Yeah, so the 15 minute isn't looking too bad. We swept the New York PM from yesterday, so I think that that could be decent moves to the upside. If we can maybe inverse this, sweep down, touch that 15 minute, then we could definitely take it to maybe yesterday's PM highs or London highs. That would be a really good first trade on the funded. All right, now it's time to just be patient, sit back, relax. I'm gonna mark out the charts. I'll time lapse through that super quick. Bink, 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 bink. That's pretty much it for liquidity. Like I'm not too sure what else I'm searching for, in all honesty. All I can do is just give it a minute and be patient. Wait for some confluences. Just a quick heads up. Tomas probably gonna be joining me for this trading session. He'll hop in the call and then we'll see if we can make him some profits as well as me. Let's do it. All right. So the 30 minute was inversed. That's definitely pretty good. We can get a retrace down pretty decently soon, and I might be looking to enter before PMI starts affecting the market too much. There's no guarantee that I'm going to be making a trade today just because of PMI. I don't want to be forcing myself into a trade just to be making a trade. PMI is definitely known as more risky of the news to be trading on. So I don't want to force nothing. I'm just going to wait it out. You know what I'm saying? How do you guys like the haircut, bro? My hair is so thin though. There's not much I can do about that, but at least I can keep it clean though. Stay looking fresh though. Thomas, what's up?
Boy, you good?
Yes, sir, brother. You already know.
Yeah, I'm feeling better today.
Good, brother.
What the fuck happened now in London, bro? What the fuck?
Bro, London highs got swept and the lows, so I'm not really. I'm still bullish on the day though.
Okay, so let me
We're in a 5 minute fair
Oh,
value gap too, but I don't know if I want to play that. Like,
yeah, bro. I was actually seeing it too. It's not just the 5, bro. It's a 15 too. So it's also a 15, bro.
no, it's not.
It is. It is. It is. Go to the 15 minutes.
The one we're currently
It's
in? No, it's not.
yes,
Oh, yeah, it
bro.
is further back. That's from yesterday PM
Yeah,
session. I'm talking about the 5 minute from like London.
yeah, I know. From London, yeah, and we are reacting out of it. I might try, bro. Here a sell
I'm on my funded. I'm scared.
with five micros.
5 micros wouldn't be bad.
I mean, by the way, bro. I mean, and I'll do my.
I'm just gonna go into 1 minute and put my stops above the each fair value gap it creates.
Exactly what I'm doing, bro. That's exactly what I'm doing.
My stops are in profit.
Yeah, mine too, bro. And I already added some contracts.
Yeah, I can't, bro. I have fucking 3 micros like a little pussy. I'm just gonna move my stops break even until it gets a little lower. My partial is at the bottom of the 5 minute fair value. Bro, this is like micro dollars compared to what I'm used to, bro. Gotta
Of
give my
course.
funded at least a little bit of a pillow to dip into. Alright,
Of
TP1
course.
smacked.
My TP2 is at the next CVG.
Yeah, I'm happy with de-risking on a PMI day though. Like I don't want to be playing with too big of money on
For
big
sure.
news days. I think it's smart.
Don't react out of. Bro, are you fucking serious?
What's it reacting from? Oh, 3 minute.
Yeah, bro. No, the second VVG, but my TP was literally one tick below where the price went.
Wait, no, my
Uh,
my TP's at the bottom.
no.
Bro, let the trade play out, you emotional freak. Alright, I'm stopped out. We just reacted bearish out of a 3 minute. Alright, I'm in cells.
Yeah, me too. Like, bro, we can't go down, bro. We already went up like fucking crazy.
No, I'm bullish on the day. I'm just hoping to catch a small move down. Oh, we closed inside the fucking 1 minute, bro.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm down 50 now, so I won't trade until open. I'll wait. Okay, let me do this.
I'm down 160. Okay.
We have a VVG here, bro, on the 5 minute. If we inverse it, it's also a bearish one though. It's also a bearish one. If we inverse this one, I might go in, bro. Until the highs.
Stops at break even.
You're on sales?
Yep.
Or just fucking pray that the price will go down, bro.
Yep. I mean, I got pretty good confluences. I just hope that on market open we dip into that second 15 minute fair value gap. We're in a 5 minute. You know, like go down, go down.
Yeah, bro, don't start to go up, broski. Come on. Fucking hell, bro. No.
We got 20 seconds till market open. Market open. We like that. Go down.
No. No.
I'm stopped out.
Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck is this shit, bro? Bro, what the fuck?
What happened?
I'm already 300, bro. Down.
You're down 300? What'd you enter?
The same as you. But then I entered more, fucking asshole. I lost like 100 and something on this trade.
I made it back into profit. I made like $200 or something. So now I'm at $60 profit. Why did I enter another bot or sell? This consolidation is a little scary, so I might take my profits in this fair value gap again once we touch back down. There you go. Yeah. Now I'm gonna wait for PMI. I'm up $400. I'm gonna wait for PMI. Nice. See, that's what happens. This is where it's a respectable rage, bro. I just missed out on my move this whole time. I've been.
Are you on sales?
Bro, I was out of the 5 minute. I caught $500 profit, and then now it just keeps dumping, bro.
Oh my fuck, bro! Like this is the second day, bro. Like I didn't do any type of trade that I'm proud of, bro. Like this was just entering out of fucking having no patience.
Nah, brother. Like, there was good confluences. It's just a weird price action. You just gotta respect that it was fucking. Like, we were looking for buys. We were just looking for that retrace. And that retrace happened, and we were looking for it. We just got it at the wrong time, brother. You can't fucking beat yourself up for that. Like, I wanted to take my take profit at that the second 15. I would have been up like 1.5 bands right now. But instead, I'm up 400. Brother, what did I say? I said we're going to be coming down to that 15 minute, that second one, then we're going to go up. I'm a fucking market analysis genius, bro. Market maker, bro. If only I could fucking catch these trades, bro. Oh, and we tapped the 5 minute to the upside. Bro, I'm chilly, bro. Why am I so cold? I think we're tapping that second 15 and going up. I think we're just trying to find structure first. We got like 7 minutes till PMI, so time to be patient. Because that can throw the market either way, bro.
I'm pissed off, bro.
Nah, it's okay. Shit happens. Yeah, look at that 1 minute, bro. It's not something you want to be trading. Like, the market has been extreme. Like, everybody's fucking posting it. The market's been extremely fucking up and down recently. So you just gotta weather the storm, brother. It will clear up. To be fair, it is reacting up and down out of like fair value gaps and shit like that. So I've been able to win. This is now 11 out of the last 13 days or 12 out of the last 14 days or something like that.
That's huge.
So like, it's been shitty price action, but you're able to cash those quick scalps. And this PMI is just fucking consolidating this shit even more, bro. Holy fuck. It wants to go up though. Like, I know we're gonna be going up on the day. Mark my words. Bro, it didn't even give me an entry.
Bro, you didn't even give me a shut the fuck up, bitch. I already made money, bro. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
My fault, twin.
Uh,
That shit kills me. Bruh, my buying bias was so correct.
okay. By the way, I bought another account just because I wanted to trade. I'm one 700s up.
You're 700 up?
Yeah.
You little fucker. Yo, I'm putting that in the YouTube video, bro. Yo.
Oh, bro.
Yo.
I need to trade, bro.
Yo, that actually
Um,
kills me, bro. I knew something was up. I was like, why is he not like he can't trade? Why is he still watching the market?
bro, I had to buy another one, bro.
So
God,
now you have
fucking.
3.
Yeah, I have 3 accounts, bro.
All right, fair play. What are you gonna ride it to?
Hmm?
What are you gonna take it to? I'd say take it to 21,325.
No, I'm already out, bro.
Oh, okay, good.
I'm already.
Okay, don't
I
fucking.
my
Did you place buys?
my my TP was at the 1 hour FVG.
All right, that take profit that I just called out for Tomas, absolutely banged. He was in buys and he ended up pulling, but I told him to take it to 31.25, and I banged, or 21,325, and I banged. That's right here. But it's a rough day. As you can see, the market was super choppy on market open. I happened to catch like the one leg that wasn't too choppy. Pre-market was pretty choppy as well, but we came up. I think we tapped into this 5 minute. Right, where was it? Yeah, it was right here. This 5 minute here. We tapped into it. I thought that was a good opportunity to enter sell, so I did just that. I wanted to take it all the way down to the 15-minute lows. Not the 15-minute lows. I wanted to take it into this second 15-minute fair value gap. I didn't end up holding it all the way because I remembered PMI soon and I just wanted to save my profits. So I need minimum of 5 days with $250 profit. I saw that I was over that, so I ended up pulling my profits. I think it was about right here or so, something along these lines. But we had a perfect price prediction. It came down into this fair value gap, and I said I was bullish. That's in the video. And guess what? Bang! We banked into here and flew up. It's pretty much the same shit every day. So we swept the London and Asia highs pre-market. Then we came down and we swept London lows, Asia lows, and New York PM lows. So now what I was looking for, obviously there's a couple green candles, pretty big. So I was looking for a good retrace, especially after it inversed this 15-minute. I think there's a 30-minute as well. So it inversed that 30-minute. So I knew I was going to be bullish on the day. I was hoping for a retrace into this 15-minute, and guess what? We inversed the 15, came up here, retraced into the 15, and we were bullish. So perfect price prediction. First trade of the day went first trade on this fresh funded account is absolutely beautiful. I hope that you guys are learning a little bit for sure, because I'm calling out these biases every single day, and they're nearly perfect most of the time. So it's just those little moves that can fuck you up. But as you can see, this 1 minute was just absolutely diabolical going into market open. But you can only do what you can only do, and we took our profits, and we're gonna leave the day with that. Happy you guys tuned in. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. I keep pushing this content every day. Love to start building a community, especially on my Discord. We're getting more and more people in there every day. So if you ever have any questions, people like to reach out to me. Use me as a mentor almost for their psychology. I help a good amount of people on Instagram, a few people on Discord now. And I want to just keep pushing it and growing it as much as I can. So see where we can take it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Yo, broski.
Yo, say goodbye to YouTube, gang. Say have a good day.
Have a good day, guys.
There you go.
Just got fucked. Maybe you guys won't get fucked today like I did, bro.
All right.